look like candy and taste even better. Let's make it happen. I am Chef Mohamed Abdell, and today in Culinary Museum we are creating candy pasta filled with ricotta spinach. So to explain the plate is we have the cream basil sauce with Parmesan, and then we have the candy pasta stuffed inside with spinach and ricotta, and finish it with pecorino cheese on top. Let me know in the comment below what is your favorite pasta dish. This is Chef Mohamed Abdell, Culinary Museum.